channel. This video I am going to discuss about heat topic sum, that is calculate heat energy required to change 12 grams of ice at minus 10 degrees into water vapor at 100 degrees centigrade. How can you do this? So now see the four steps, easy steps. By following these steps we can easily do the sum. First one, convert ice at minus 10 degrees into ice at 0 degrees centigrade. Second one, ice at 0 degrees centigrade into water at 0 degrees. And step 3, water at 0 degrees into water at 100 degrees centigrade. Step 4, water at 100 degrees into water vapor at 100 degrees centigrade. So now let us see how can you do this calculation part. Ice at minus 10 degrees into ice at 0 degrees centigrade. Okay, because of here before I wrote the 0. Okay, now let us see the formula. Q1 equals to ms delta T. Here Q is nothing but heat, M is nothing but mass of ice, 12 grams already they given in question, and the S is specific heat of ice, that value is 1/2. Here the delta T is nothing but T2 minus T1. 12 into 1/2 into T2 is nothing but 0 degrees minus of minus 10. 2 6 times cancelled in 12. 6 into minus plus 60 calories. Calories is the unit of heat. So Q1 equals to 60 calories. Going to the second step, ice at 0 degrees centigrade into water at 0 degrees centigrade. Let us do. Here we can use the another formula, that is Q2 equals to ml. Because of here there is no temperature difference and m is the value 12. L is the latent heat of fusion, 80 calories. So now multiplied 80 into 12, we are getting the 960 calories. This is the Q2. And we can go to the step 3. Already you know that what is the step 3. Now here we are converted that water at 0 degrees to water at 100 degrees centigrade. So by following these steps easily we can solve this type of sums. Okay, here which formula we have to use? Once think, here there is a temperature difference, 0 degrees and 100 degrees is there. So Q3 equals to ms delta T. So already you know the m value is 12. And here S is the specific heat of water. So what is the value? 1. And you know the formula T2 minus T1. So when we are doing this sum, we have to take the T2 is that greater number, like a high temperature, and T1 we have to take the low temperature, 100 minus 0. Now calculate 12 into 1 into 100, 1200 calories. This is the Q3. So let us see the last and final step 4. Step 4, what is the step 4? Water at 100 degrees centigrade to water vapor at 100 degrees centigrade. So see here 100 degrees water and water vapor at 100 degrees. Both are in the same temperature. So which formula we have to use here? ms delta T or ml? Yes, ml. M is the mass and L is the latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization of water is 540 calories. So 540. Now multiply that to 540 into 12. Now calculate it 0, 8, 10, 0, 4, 5. So 0, 8, 4, 6. So 6480 calories. This is the Q4. So here only one question, that is change the minus 10 degrees ice to water vapor at 100 degrees. So we are step by step we are converting, but total heat energy how much it is required? So here total energy Q equals to add Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. So what is the Q1 value? How much you got? 60. Q2 value 960. Q3 is the 1200 and Q4 is 6408. So now add these all. We getting the final answer 8700 calories. This is the heat required to convert the ice into water vapor. And please subscribe my channel and get the other videos.